Okay, everybody, it's 3:43. Just a smidgen longer than we anticipated, but we cooked 2 pounds of delicious bacon. So that took a while. So 3:43, it took about an hour and 40 minutes, just under, hour and 57 minutes. No, hour and 37 minutes. So anyway, doesn't matter, hour and 40 minutes. Look at the bounty of food. Chicken thighs. These are, the reason it's yellow is because Alicia loves turmeric, I guess. And she insisted on putting turmeric on everything. So, but a package of sorry, my Pandora. Package of chicken thighs, 2 steaks. Look at all this goodness. This took about 3 seconds, but just little packets of on-the-go berries, mixed berries, and just what we had left over. A big thing of broccoli, 2 awesome sweet potatoes. These are both the same thing. These are cinnamon sticks that just open up. I love to cook my oatmeal with cinnamon sticks. This is just rice. This is 2 pounds of ground beef, mushrooms, and other assorted vegetables. That took about, 15 minutes from start to finish. We had some of the vegetables pre-cut, so that saved some time. And then here we just have an awesome roast, but I guess we're roasting oxtail, but it's going to be delicious, and it just melts in your mouth. So that'll be done in the morning. Okay, so here, just so you know, I put it 4 hours on high, and then I'll put it at least 6 hours on low overnight. That's a long time, but it's so good. It's so good. And I keep my vegetables, like the celery and potatoes and onions, I try to keep them big chunks. I like big chunks so they don't get too soggy. Same with the vegetables in here. I just like my vegetables a little bit crispy-ish, just not soggy. So, don't forget we have the salad that we pre-made that we forgot at the grocery store. What else is in there?
Well,
cherries, avocados, all that other stuff that you could put on here. In this, I love to put peanut butter and the yogurt that we bought. That is delicious. Or nix that, just put some of the berries in and maybe some of the yogurt. That's awesome too. So anything you want to do with this, this is food for days and days and days. For one person at least, that's for sure. And you'll notice all the dishes are out of the sink. They are all washed. I don't need to put them away. I'm a bachelor, so I don't really care. No one's going to be yelling at me to throw my dishes away or put them away. So I don't really care. They'll just stay there till the next time I cook, I guess. But they're all clean. That's the point. They're not over here, and I'm not going to be sitting on my couch later tonight thinking, oh my God, I've got to wash those dishes, and then I won't. So we're all done. So it was Alicia and I, nobody else, that did all of this stuff in an hour and 40 minutes. So please, just try. You don't have to cook all of this. Just try a little bit of it. It's awesome. It'll go faster than you think. You'll have fun with your spouse or your kids or whoever it is that you're cooking with, or even just yourself. Turn on your music and have a ball. Cooking and food is not that hard, folks. Forget everything you know. Just go with the basics right now. If you're a professional athlete, yes, then get in the nooks and crannies of your macros. I hate that word. But get in the nooks and crannies of that, because that will make you better too. But you can't get into that without having a foundation of what to do and what to know. You need to learn this much. This much knowledge of food will take you a long way. It'll take you as far as you need to go, put it that way. Okay, so I'm signing off, and we'll be back next week with another video. Probably not about food, because I'm hot and sweaty. All right, see ya.